Mining! So guys, for today's ganap, time, time check, date check, it's ano guys, November 1. So we're going to Patay, we're going to Everlasting. Get ready with me. So next is concealer. Ay, eyeliner. Sasama kita sa vlog ko for today's vlog. Yes. Okay. So guys, di natin nakita yung curler, so magmamaskara na lang tayo. Wala. Hindi natin yung pinay. Do I look beautiful? Yes. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Oh, next is combing my hair. Combing my hair. It's so haba. Ako na. Wait, can you please faster? Ako na nagbago. Atay! Yun na ba eh. So guys, di pa pala ako nagsusuklay. Later na after kong blush para tapos na lahat. Yes. Look at my brush. Oh, it's purple, guys. My favorite color. So yeah. And my mirror. So guys, last part is lipstick. Wait. Ayan. Close. Ayun. Wala kayong white dito? Di ba na tayo yung mga ganun? So guys, I'll be right. I'll be right. Be right. Be right. Bye. So guys, that is my final fit for today's ganap. Ay.
Hindi ko lang ate, wait lang.
Magdala kayo ng dila. House lang. Dito na lang magpipirit.
Siya po ay may heart sa kanyang. My my heart. And the heart too.
So nice.
Pwede na maging... So guys, aalis na lang guys. So yan. Oh, nakalimutan ko pala.
May tubig.
May nakalimutan pala ako. Dito tayo sa kwarto nila mama. Yan guys, kwarto nila mama yan. That's so fantastic. Yan, may TV sila. Ano to? Room tour? Ang kukuhain ko lang naman ay pabango. Wait. Hoy, may pabango ako.
Palalagay ko lang niya. Tigilan mo. Bigyan ang dadal niya yung Royal.
Let the dogs out.
Pag-green ka lang daw.
So guys, ano ba to? Paalis na kami.
Nabasa. Kasi nag-notif pa rin sa akin guys nasa archive na.
Malamang, pero mag-notif ang archive nila.
Tsaka natin.
Marceline, is it just you and me in the wreckage of the world? That must be so confusing for a little girl. And I know you're gonna need me here with you, but I'm losing myself and I'm afraid I'm gonna lose you too. This magic keeps me alive, but it's making me crazy, and I need to save you.
So guys, nandito pa din kami sa may cemetery lang. Sa may everlasting. Yes.
Nag-video ka talaga?
I'm drinking avocado shake. Yes. And eating some Burger Lane. Yes. Hindi ako nakapag-video kanina ng madilim. Kasi biglang dumating ang aking mga tita. Yes. Pero tingin ko naman maririnig mo sila
Hindi
sa
na alam yung
video,
pimple
mama.
patch na
Pero umuwi na sila.
Alam ko, inuman mo yan. Tatakarin kita dyan. Wait lang.
But who's gonna save me? Please forgive me for whatever I do when I don't remember you. Marceline, I can feel myself